Hello and welcome to day 3 of the 7 days of summer. Today, these are the 2 pages we'll be working with. This is Julie's day 3. I love these flowers and this cluster of fruit. And then here's mine with the yellow gingham and some floral backgrounds. All right, so today I did a project share. My son was finishing up his last day of online school, and I was just hanging out in here while he's finishing up, and I cut everything out, inked everything, and then I just kept working. So we have a share today. So today I did a layered tag with the 2 tags right here, and then I took this tag and stuck it underneath. Used my favorite Tim Holtz Field Notes stamp, and there's that. Did some stitching and yellow gingham to match the yellow. And this one, I took my larger journaling card, and then this is from Julie's kit, and I just kind of fussy cut around the girls, and then those flowers that I just love. And now those kind of are little itty bitty tickets or tags that are stuck in behind there. And then this one, I layered up the fruit, did the same thing, used the Tim Holtz stamp, did some stitching, and we have another journaling card. And then this one, I used some of the scrapbook paper. Why can't I think of the name of the maker? Anyway, some of my scrapbook paper, and then cut around here. And now she has a little tuck behind here. And there's a little tuck right here, and then layered up some of the different things and some fabric. And then my little envelope, here's my 7 days of summer journal. And right now I stuck this in here, and then I either can put her in the little tag envelope or this one. And I might, I don't know, I might add her maybe as a flip. I think that would be fun. Or paper clip her on. I might paper clip her for now until I decide where she will end up. And then these 2 guys, I'm not sure at all. They might hang out, and we'll do that later. All right, so that was day 3, and I'll see you again tomorrow for day 4. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.